You know, if you grow up around the Murray River, there's always a spot that sticks with you. For the folks around Cobram, one of those places is Big Tom's Beach. And just before you get there, there's a little sandy island in the river. Every local knows it. When you pass that island, you know you're nearly there. And you know you're in for a good day on the Murray. Well, the Murray rolls on easy where the tall red gums all sway. Just outside of Cobram town, at the end of a dusty way, where the river shines like silver in the warm afternoon, and the kookaburras laugh their song at the rising moon. There's a little sandy island just before the river bend, where the kids pull up the tinnies and the long days never end, where the ropes swing on a red gum and the laughter ringing free. That's the gateway to the river life at Big Tom's Beach, you see. Oh, Big Tom's Beach on the Murray wide, where the slow brown river rolls with the turning tide, from the little island crossing to the long sand reach. That's where memories live at Big Tom's Beach, where the warm wind whispers through the old gum trees, and the river tells its stories on the drifting breeze, from the splash of the kids to the cockatoo screech. Life moves easy down at Big Tom's Beach. Now if you head down there on a hot January afternoon, you'll see just about half the town of Cobram gathered along the river. There'll be boats tied up along the bank, kids jumping in the water, and a few old fellas sitting in the shade, keeping an eye on it all. It's the sort of place where time slows down a bit. You'll hear the outboards humming as the boats come drifting in, with their skis full of cold drinks and the smell of barbecue tin. Old blokes telling stories about the fish that got away, while the kids chase yabbies in the shallows of the bay. That little island's a landmark every local knows by heart. Just a patch of sand and timber, but it plays a special part. 'Cause when you pass that island, you know what lies ahead. The laughter and the sunshine, where river days are spread. On the Murray wide, where the slow brown river rolls with the turning tide, from the little island crossing to the long sand reach. That's where memories live at Big Tom's Beach, where the warm wind whispers through the old gum trees, and the river tells its stories on the drifting breeze, from the splash of the kids to the cockatoo screech. Life moves easy down at Big Tom's Beach. And when the sun starts getting low and the heat of the day begins to ease, well, that's when the Murray really shows its magic. The river goes quiet, the birds settle in the trees, and the water turns gold in the evening light, when the sun sinks slowly low, and the pelicans drift quiet as the evening passes by. You'll hear a campfire crackle and a soft old country song, while the Murray keeps on rolling like it's done for oh so long. And that little island glows in the fading golden light, like a marker for the river as it settles for the night. With the stars upon the water and the cool breeze from the reach, there's a peaceful kind of magic down at Big Tom's Beach. So if you ever find yourself traveling through Cobram, take a little detour down to the Murray, cross past that little sandy island, and you'll find a stretch of river that's made a lifetime of memories for a whole lot of good people. And if you sit there long enough, watching that old river roll by, you might just understand why we love a place like Big Tom's Beach. Oh, Big Tom's Beach on the Murray Wide, where the slow brown river rolls with a turning tide. From the little island crossing to the long sand reach, that's where memories live at Big Tom's Beach, where the red gums stand tall and the river runs free, and the good old days live in you and me. From the laughter in summer to the quiet of each speech, life's best moments live at Big Tom's Beach. Oh, Big Tom's Beach on the Murray Wide, where the water runs slow with a turning tide. From the little island crossing to the open sandy reach, that's where memories live at Big Tom's Beach, where the summer wind whispers through the old gum trees, and the river keeps the stories on the drifting breeze. From the splash of the kids to the call of the screech, life moves easy down at Big Tom's Beach. In the heat of January, when the sun burns bright and high, you'll see half of Cobram gathered with the river drifting by. There's the smell of sunscreen mixing with the smoke of sausage rolls, and the old bloke sitting quietly watching water slowly roll. Teenagers with ski ropes cutting lines across the stream, and the little ones all learning what a river summer means. From the island down to the sandbar, where the cool brown waters flow, the stretch of Murray magic is the best place we all know. Oh, Big Tom's Beach on the Murray Wide, where the slow brown river rolls with a turning tide. From the little island crossing to the open sandy reach, that's where memories live at Big Tom's Beach, where the summer wind whispers through the old gum trees, and the river keeps the stories on the drifting breeze. From the splash of the kids to the call, well, the Murray rolls on easy, where the red gums lean and sway, just outside of Cobram town at the end of a dusty way, where the water glints like silver in the golden afternoon, and the kookaburras laugh their song beneath the rising moon. There's a little sandy island just before the river bend, where the kids all stop their tinnies and the long days never end, with a rope tied to a red gum and a tie swing so free. That's the gateway to the river life at Big Tom's Beach, you see. Oh, Big Tom's Beach on the Murray Wide, where the water runs slow with a turning tide. From the little island crossing to the open sandy reach, that's where memories live at Big Tom's Beach, where the summer wind whispers through the old gum trees, and the river keeps the stories on the drifting breeze. From the splash of the kids to the call of the screech, life moves easy down at Big Tom's Beach. You'll hear the outboards humming as the boats come drifting in, their skis packed with cold drinks and the smell of barbecue tin. Blokes telling tall old stories about the fish that got away, while the kids go chasing yabbies in the shallows of the bay. That little island's a landmark every local knows by heart, just a patch of sand and timber, but it plays a special part. 'Cause when you pass that island, you know what lies ahead, the laughter and the sunshine, where the river folk are fed. Oh, Big Tom's Beach on the Murray Wide, where the water runs slow with the turning tide. From the little island crossing to the open sandy reach, that's where memories live at Big Tom's Beach, where the summer wind whispers through the old gum trees, and the river keeps the stories on the drifting breeze. From the splash of the kids to the call of the screech, life moves easy down at Big Tom's Beach. In the heat of January, when the sun burns bright and high, You'll see half of Cobram gathered with the river drifting by. There's a smell of sunscreen mixing with the smoke of sausage rolls, and the old bloke sitting quietly watching water slowly roll. Teenagers with ski ropes cutting lines across the stream, and the little ones all learning what a river summer means. From the island down to the sandbar where the cool brown waters flow, that stretch of Murray magic is the best place we all know. Oh, Big Tom's Beach on the Murray.